swinging over here. Oh my god, that did not sound good at all.
Right? I'm not for sure, but go.
Just chilling on a four-wheeler, you know. Yo, did he break the window?
Oh, you are in so much trouble.
Yes. What does it look like? That was funny. These are always so scary. And that's why.
So I was looking at my car and I saw this and I'm like, that's not really good.
Okay.
And I looked over here and I was like,
Oh my
well,
god.
shit, that's not good either.
I have a bad feeling about this one. Maybe. That's not a good idea, bro. Ooh! I don't know what he expected. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Asking my girlfriend for a PS5.
So I was thinking, like, you still order me that PS5, right?
Yes, of course I am.
I bet. So when? Like, when?
There's only
Like,
one more
you can
thing.
pre-order it. Like,
Nah, why don't you do one more thing first before I get it for you?
anything? What? What is it?
Oh, I want you to suck those.
Suck those
Yeah.
for the PS5.
For the PS5.
And you'll order them right now.
Right now.
It's not worth it.
Come on.
Oh my god. I was gonna say she's a good singer. I've never seen that break in my life.
Hey yo, you can see my eyes, but when I smile, they disappear. Check.
Okay, let's see. Okay, now I'm done. I'm done.
Oh my god, get the hell out.
You could easily have gone around me.
No, I can't.
Well,
You're in the way.
no, you're in the way.
You're in the way.
What's wrong with you?
Poor guy.
I'ma give you Corona time.
In 18 years of my career, I've seen someone squat 1,000 pounds. I've seen someone vertical jump 40 inches. But this right here,
That's just
this
crazy.
is talent.
That's crazy. What just happened?
You don't have a double chin. What you do have is bad posture. So all you need to do is 2 steps. Bring your shoulders up, back, and down. Bring your chin slightly forward and then slightly down, and look at the difference that makes.
That made no difference. You just made it worse.
Part 3 on how chocolate milk is made.
We got it coming out straight fresh from the chocolate milk machine, and I'd say it's going pretty good, not gonna lie.
I'm about to throw up.
Blake, why'd you break the Starbucks sign? Yeah, he really broke it.
Ah! Today is such a beautiful day to just stay at home and do nothing. Go outside. A lot of